Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raihana Mansur from Senior 4 Achinawa High School. Today, 3rd June, did you know American boxer and social activist Muhammad Ali, who justified his self-proclaimed nickname the greatest by becoming arguably the most admired and dominant heavyweight boxer in the history of the sport, died at the age of 74. Muhammad Ali died today, 3rd June 2016. He is often regarded as the greatest heavyweight boxer of all time. Muhammad Ali was born in Louisville, Kentucky. He began training as an amateur boxer at the age of 12. At the age of 18, Muhammad Ali won a gold medal in the light heavyweight division at the 1960 Summer Olympics and turned professional later that year. Muhammad Ali will still remember his contribution to the boxing sport.
We learn to excel, we learn